Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I'm going to be going over this multi-purpose sprayer that I picked up from Harbor Freight. Starting off, this thing is really cheap, alright? I think it was like $5. It's a multi-purpose sprayer. It doesn't just, get used for gardening or, just regular household stuff, but it mostly is for that, but it's not only for that. And I like that it's a multi-purpose one because some stuff you can't put gardening solutions or cleaning solutions or insecticides or pesticides through the certain sprayer. So this one is multi-purpose, which I really like. Definitely like the color already. It's green, has the red trigger or tip to engage a sprayer. And it also has a brass tip on here. Yeah, of all things. This is a 0.5 gallon, or in other terms, a half a gallon. This model number is 56167, adjustable spray pattern from fine mist to solid stream. Trigger with lock on for continuous spray. High performance chemical resistant seals, large easy fill opening, and an easy grip handle. All right. So we have the bottle, and we get the owner's manual. To ensure high quality, Greenwood tests every sprayer before shipment. Some water condensation may remain in the tank due to the testing process. Have your sprayer serviced by a qualified repair person using only identical replacement parts. Or just go to Harbor Freight and spend another $5 and buy a brand new sprayer. Here it is right here. We have our brass tip. We can start with that one. Now, it looks like this bad boy is screwed on here, but it has a little bit of an adjuster to adjust the nozzle, and it might be a little hard to see, but I pulled the actual cap off. Has a little hole, and also too, there is a clear O-ring or rubber gasket, and then it looks like it screws into a plastic threads pretty much, which is very weird. Then we could take the whole tip off here. Yeah, and we have that metal on here, and the rest is plastic. Really not too sure how that's going to hold up, but of course, we have the bottle down here. 0.5 gallon multi-purpose sprayer. All right. Oh, it just got hit with some water. Yep. Oh yeah, there's water in there. What do you know? A little bit of condensation, no big deal. I can even see it in the line right here for the actual sprayer. Here we have our pump, as well as our filter. You always want to make sure that the bottle is clean inside. There's no dirt, sand, any grime, because the filter will get clogged up, and then you will have to clean it, possibly take this off and clean it, or just replace the filter altogether. Because if dirt or grime get in here and the filter's not on and it travels through this line, it's going to get all backed up and stuck. And I think at that point, you're pretty much far past fucked, and you're better off just buying a whole new multi-purpose sprayer. But here's the pump. As you can hear the air escaping, and we can see the plunger going back and forth. There is a little bit of a filter in here as well, so nothing, I guess, gets caught up in the pump. There is a rubber seal, O-ring, gasket, whatever you want to call it, around the plunger right there. And of course, there's another seal up in the big threads of this whole piece right up here that screws onto the bottle. And here is the pump, of course. This is what the top looks like. Here we have the handle as well as the trigger. So now this is the trigger, and then you can push up on this, and that locks the trigger down. That way it stays engaging with spraying. And then to release it, you just push down, hold this back, and then release the trigger, and it shoots right back up. So the main purpose that I bought this is because I could use my wasp and hornet killer that I bought. And it's the type of stuff that you have to dilute with water. It ain't no Raid or, ortho bullshit wasp and hornet killer that you spray and then they come back the next day like the family never left. Yeah, I use real commercial grade insecticide. Now the reason why I bought it, I already have a multi-purpose sprayer. And here it is right here. This is my Thompson's Water Seal heavy duty multi-surface sprayer. And this is the type of one that comes with the different tips, and I have them right here for different spray patterns. But This is a 2-gallon tank. Now, if I'm spraying down like a small hornet's nest, I'm not going to be needing this giant 2-gallon tank if I'm only going to need about a 1/4 gallon of water. I mean, I'm going to use this bad boy. It's much easier, so I don't need 2 hands to walk around with this and spray with the wand. I got everything all in one. Pump it like this, and then just use it with 1 hand, and that's it. You know what I mean? It's just a smaller version of a sprayer that might be too excessive in size, depending on the job that I'm using it for. I recommend, obviously, having a big sprayer like this, 2 gallons, perfect. I can't see a reason buying anything bigger than this bad boy. But also, too, you want to have a small one for those quick and easier jobs, you know? The smaller the bottle, the easier it is to clean, and the quicker you can get it done. But yeah, guys, I just want to showcase with you this small, little handy sprayer from Harbor Freight. Be sure to check this bad boy out. This is the 1/2 gallon or 0.5 gallon multi-purpose sprayer. But yeah, that's all I got for you in this video today. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will catch you all in the next video. Take care. I'm out.